Welcome to the roaring world of chainsaws, where steel bites through timber and raw power rules the forest. From precision cuts to massive takedowns, this is the ultimate show of chainsaw domination. Subscribe now and feel the fury. Welcome to Tree Power Channel. The razor-sharp saw blade charges into the log with forceful, decisive motion. No hesitation, no wobble. It slices clean through the dense grain like a finely tuned instrument. Each board emerges with perfect regularity, straight-edged, clean-cut, as if shaped by a flawless mold. The process repeats in a steady rhythm, delivering precision cuts with speed, strength, and control. The long saw blade, sharp and sturdy, spins powerfully on its solid mouth. Each tooth on the blade acts like a tiny knife, slicing precisely along the length of the log, producing straight, even cuts. This extended blade doesn't stop at one point, but travels the entire length of the large log, dividing it into thin, uniform boards, like slicing fresh, warm bread. The whirring sound blends with flying wood chips, creating a lively mechanical symphony. Light glints off the blade's surface, reflecting the steady rotations, while tiny wood fragments scatter with each spin, filling the air around the saw with energy and motion. Every sweep of the long blade reveals fresh, clean cuts, boards with beautiful grain exposed, and a rich scent of sapwood filling the space. The Spruce 300 by 300 isn't just a saw to me, it's a partner I trust out in the field, rain or shine. Built for on-site milling, this machine has a steel frame that's rock solid. I've set it up under blazing sun, even light rain, and it just keeps going, steady as ever. The long cutting bed and precise guide rails let me handle big logs, up to 300 by 300 millimeters in cross-section. Whether it's oak, pine, or something denser, it slices through cleanly. The blade runs smooth with no shaking or strain. What I appreciate most is its portability. It's designed to be set up directly at the logging site. No need for a full workshop, just a flat surface and I'm good to go. That alone saves me a lot of transport time and effort. Powerful motor, precise tracking, smooth height adjustment. Every part feels like it was built by someone who knows what the job demands. I've worked with all kinds of sawmills, but the Spruce 300x300 is the one I keep coming back to when I need reliability and performance outdoors. The massive log is firmly clamped onto the cradle, leaving no room for movement to disrupt the cutting process. Instantly, the automated system swiftly pushes the log towards the sharp saw blade, which spins steadily and swiftly slices through each solid grain. The combination of a strong clamp and smooth, precise motion ensures the planks are cut quickly, accurately, and safely. A worker carefully uses a steel chainsaw to cut into a large tree trunk adjacent to the houses. Each cut is carefully calculated. Sawdust flies lightly. The tree slowly falls in the right direction to safety. Deep in the heart of the forest, a skilled worker prepares for a critical task. With chainsaw in hand, he carefully approaches a towering tree, calculating every move. Precision, patience, and power come together. As the chainsaw roars, the tree begins to fall, a giant surrendering to the ground. Timber work demands respect, strength, and total focus. This is not just cutting wood. This is mastering nature with care and responsibility. In the blackened forest after the fire, a giant tree still stands alone with its scorched trunk. Workers in protective gear approach with a husky 3120 XP chainsaw, long blades cutting deep into the dry, charred stump. Black sawdust flies. The tree shakes and slowly falls down in the hazy smoke. In the forest, a tree trunk is burning. The worker puts on protective gear. He turns on the chainsaw. The blade screeches fiercely, cutting into the burning tree stump. Sawdust smokes, ash flies in the wind, urgent and decisive. Meet the beast, the Husqvarna 3120 XP, one of the most powerful chainsaws in the world. With ease, it slices through massive logs and thick stumps like a blade through butter. No hesitation, no resistance, just raw cutting force. The operator moves with confidence, controlling every angle, every cut. This isn't just wood cutting, it's domination. Precision, power, and performance, Husqvarna 3120 XP delivers it all. In the middle of the dense green forest, a strong female worker operates a chainsaw, cutting into a large tree trunk. Each cut is decisive, sawdust flies, the tree shakes and falls down with great force. A tall tree stands firm, its branches removed one by one with calculated precision. The cold chainsaw growls, each cut a decisive, unforgiving strike. A large branch finally yields after a few determined passes. It crashes down with weight and finality, marking the end of another part of the tree's towering past.
Training.
In the middle of the forest, the worker wore protective clothing. He turned on the saw blade roared. Shards of coal flew out with the powerful cutting force. Black sawdust floated in the cold wind. Amidst the ashes, the image of the worker appeared full of courage and determination. On the top of a tall tree in the garden, a worker wears a sturdy safety harness and hangs in midair. He uses a chainsaw to cut the top of the tree. Sawdust falls into the cool green space.